Need to create a presentation, but don't want to spend hours designing slides? Canva makes it easy to build professional presentations for school, work, business, or client meetings. Even if you're a beginner, you can create impressive slides in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to make a presentation in Canva in 2026. First, sign in to Canva and use the search bar to find presentation templates. Canva will automatically create a presentation project with the proper slide format. Next, browse through Canva's presentation templates and choose one that fits your topic. Whether you're creating a business report, pitch deck, or classroom project, there's usually a template that matches your needs. Replace the sample content with your own text, titles, and information. You can edit fonts, colors, and layouts to better match your style or brand. Try to keep each slide focused on one main idea. Use Canva's Elements and Photos tabs to add images, icons, charts, or graphics. Visual content helps make your presentation more engaging and easier to understand. Once your content is in place, review the presentation from start to finish. Rearrange slides if needed, and make sure the flow feels logical and easy to follow. When everything looks good, click Present to start your slideshow directly from Canva. You can also download it as a PDF or PowerPoint file for sharing and offline use. And that's how to make a presentation in Canva. With templates, drag and drop editing, and built-in design tools, creating professional slides has never been easier. So yeah, spend a little time refining your content, and you'll have a presentation that's ready to impress. Thanks for watching.